Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So firstly, you will have to open Settings, then you have to go to the Accounts section, then tap Add Account, then you have to select Google. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account. So firstly, you have to enter your email or phone number here. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Next, you will have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to tap Accept here. And after that, your device will be your account will be added. If you want to remove this account, just select it here and then tap Remove Account, and then confirm by tapping Remove Account one more time, and after that, account will be removed from your tablet. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.